Hi everyone, good evening. So my name is Raymart Loqueño. So this evening I will be going to present to you the report that is actually entitled as the how the production and the consumption of sugar affect human journey towards the good life, because the good life is this is the ultimate aim of human. And right now, we will be able to discuss about the sugar, because this is the main topic of our report this evening. Okay, so how the production and the consumption of sugar affect human journey towards a good life. So we have two colors of sugar, or the two types of sugar. We have the brown sugar and the white sugar. And here, when we talk about sugar, this is a generic name for sweet tasting, dissoluble carbohydrates, many of which are used in the food, like in also for the in the vegetables. So table sugar, granulated sugar, or regular sugar refers to sucrose. So a disaccharide composed of glucose and fructose. So simple sugars, also called a monosaccharides, that's gonna be include glucose, fructose, and galactose. So for that, that would be the sugar. So let me explain what is sucrose. So it is often called a table sugar, so made up from glucose and fructose. So it is extracted from sugar cane or sugar beet, and it's naturally present in most fruits and vegetables. So it's actually from the found in a sugar cane, like that. So glucose and fructose, those are found in fruits and vegetables and honey. So honey is actually found in insects. So lactose, it is commonly called milk sugar because it is found in milk and in a dairy products. So and the fourth one is the maltose. It is also commonly known as malt sugar, found in malted drinks and beer. So those are the substances that is really present in sugar. So I have three questions so for this evening. So first, how do sugars fit into a healthful diet? So this is a very much a wonderful question, because we really need to know how sugar really affects and have a a meaning in how to stay healthy. So a helpful daily diet includes foods from the five groups. You have the grains, that includes the breads, the cereal, the rice, and the pasta. So vegetables includes 100% vegetable juices. That's gonna be like dairy from fat-free or low-fat milk, the yogurt, the cheese, or the calcium fortified soy beverages. So a lot of proteins and a lot of nutrients are really present in sugar. So that is why we really need to have a sugar. And it doesn't mean that if we really need to have a sugar, we actually overconsume it. um, that's the thing that we really need to avoid first. So a healthful diet can include both types of food. So when you cut calories, nutritionists so advise foods lower in fat and sugars, and most of the time, this helps ensure an adequate intake of essential nutrients. So I have a second question. So this is actually there is an informative. So second question is, do sugars cause diabetes? So according to some researchers, they do not know why diabetes occurs. So, but they know sugars do not cause it. So, diabetes is a disorder in the way the body handles sugars. So, people with diabetes either do not make enough insulin, or they cannot use the insulin their bodies to make. So, third question is that do sugars cause weight gain? So for this one, sugars themselves do not cause weight gain. So excess body fat results when a person eats more calories than needed. So extra calories may come from any caloric nutrient like proteins fats, alcohol, and carbohydrates. So that would be the answer for this questions. Okay. So next, sugar consumption extremely high. So sugar consumption and the production is the main lesson or topic in this presentation. So for the consumption, excess sugar consumption has been associated with obesity. So type of 2 diabetes, like heart disease, certain cancers, so tooth decay, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and a lot more. So that would be the effects if we are going to overconsume sugar. So next, yes, sugar, we actually use this globally because this is one of the most important substance that our body really needs. So sugar production, that would be the one of the most important topic that we really need to have in this presentation. So sugar is produced in two principal ways from beet or cane. So in beet production, sugar is extracted or leached from sliced sugar beets. That's gonna be cassets. So after which juice is purified through a series of milk, of lime, and carbon dioxide, so process steps. So the filtered juice is evaporated, thickened, and sugar is crystallized from it. So those are the steps that we really need to follow if we are going to produce sugar, if we are going to manufacture sugar. So that's the very important thing that we really need to study. So last question, which is this is the general question in this presentation, but because it covers a lot, it generally explains how sugar um, affects towards a good life as a human being. So sugar is very much important substance that we really need to have in our body, and this includes the proteins, and even in carbohydrates there is a sugar presence there. So we really need to have a presence of sugar in our body, since our body really needs sugar, and also we really need to consume well this sugar in any foods, like from sweet foods. Okay, so that would be the overall presentation of my topic for this evening. So that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for listening, and have a good night. Thank you.